Hey everyone, it's Dream Crypto here. Kucoin, the people's exchange. The exchange with over 700 different coins, with over 1,200 different trading pairs. But before we get to today's video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so we can keep on growing the community. When we get to the back office of Kucoin, the first option they have, not everyone have, is the fact that they're giving you the option to buy crypto via Master or Visa. Using your fiat to buy crypto, never made easier. You don't need additional wallets to buy your crypto. And of course, if you already have crypto, you can just use the normal deposit option of transferring your crypto into it. Now today we're going to look at the unique option, one of quite a few Kucoin offers. If we go to the trade option, we can see we're getting spot trading, margin trading, trading bot, pro and convert. And we're going into the trading bot section yet again because they have another unique option. After clicking on trading bot, the page opens and it shows Kucoin trading bot. They have over 8.5 million bots created worldwide now. You're getting spot grid bots, future grid bots, smart rebalance, DCA bot, and infinity bots. Now, all of you know I'm already doing my DCA project and it's running perfectly with no complaints. But today, we'll have a look at the spot grid bots. I have quite a few running and we can see what kind of profits we've made in the last 24 hours. But before we look at the current stats, looking at the spot grid, you can just click create bot. You click on it and it's so easy. You can put automated, it gives you a range to work in. You just put the amount you want to invest and you can create your bot. As easy as that. Or you can click on customize and all you need to do is put in your range. If you go too low, it tells you exactly what's the lowest you can go. 4,530 is the lowest you can go. And the high, that's up to you. It just needs to be above the current price. Current price at this moment is at 22,643. Let's put it on 23,000 for example. Then you decide how many orders you want to place. That means between the price ranges, how many buy and sell orders you want to place. Let's put in, for example, 100. And you can see interval USDT. That means every $184 up or down, there will be a trade. The grid ranges between 0.64% and 3.91%. Then you have the option of the amount you want to invest, and which is unique yet again. The minimum to put in is $120. Small investments to get you different opportunities. I personally try and put the money in to have at least a minimum of a $10 trade. And then advanced options. Clicking on advanced option, you can put in a stop price, you can put in a take profit price, even an entry price, and then create. Now I don't use any of those. I just created my bots. But let's go and see how they have done. Currently, when you open this page, you can see I got 5 different bots running. I've started them just over a day ago to give me an idea of what's happening. My initial investment in all 5 of them were $800 each. Now looking at the total profits, this amount means my value of my $800 is currently down $5.45, down $3, down $6, down $3.60, down $11 on Shiba Inu. But I'm not worried about that because my grids are set up and it's working between these ranges. Let's take, for example, FTT. We go up to FTT. If we put customize, just to put the levels in we've used yesterday, my price range is $6 and $32 the high. and I have 80 grids running. Now you can see, to give you an example, this is what my current range look like. The market can drop, it can go low, but while it's in between the red and the green, it will keep on generating profits. Let's look at Bitcoin, for example. Going to Bitcoin, my range is between 4,744 and $25,000. And also, since it's $800, I've put in 80 grids to make it around $10 per trade. As you can see, as long as I'm in between the grids, I'll be making profits as the market moves up and down. Now the unique part is the grid profits. That's the profits earned from buying low and selling high. So these profits is profits that this setup of each coin has made me. What I'll do? I'll make another video in a week's time, and then we'll bank these profits, and we'll use this calculation to set up our bots again so they just keep on running. It's very unique, it's very easy, no monthly subscription, and we've just seen Bitcoin. You can come in with a minimum of $120 to generate or create a bot. Small amounts giving you the opportunity to start trading. Where else can you get this opportunity? A lot of exchanges have minimum trade sizes of $10 plus. Here with Kucoin, we're down to about $1.50 minimum trade size, giving all the small investors an opportunity as well as all the big investors. Looking at Shiba Inu, who dropped a lot since I've started this bot, because I'm down $12 just on my Shiba Inu. But I'm not worried because that amount I invested is there to work for me. But let's put Shiba Inu's levels in. 257 and 0.00000145 and also 80 grids. Now it's just to get an indication. My Shiba Inu is more or less in the middle. Well, not in the middle, but there's a lot of range to work for. As long as I keep these bots open, these amounts will just keep on working and working. We'll take profits, we'll keep on updating. But leave me your thoughts, concerns and comments down below. And remember, help me grow this community. Smash that like and subscribe button. Enjoy the crypto gains.